Hey guys, this video includes an important warning for Rode Wireless Go owners, so keep watching. You know the Logitech super popular one? I also use that. I use the yeah, there it is. See? This is a vertical mouse. It's super weird, and once you have it, no one wants to really mess with your computer, but even this is not as good when it comes to video editing, and that's something that I do recently more than just, Excel spreadsheet stuff. So as you can see, this is the very same t-shirt, and when I put it up like this, it's okay. It really doesn't switch over and end up turning into that mess that happened yesterday and ruined 7 minutes of my footage. I was actually shooting a video about my electric standing desk. I'll review it soon, so do not forget to subscribe. This is kind of what happened. And usually when I'm using the Rode Wireless Go, the way I want to put it up is, the flashy side in. See, especially when you're wearing a black t-shirt, it has a very low profile. But please be careful that if you're wearing something flexible like this, stretchy, it can topple. And the problem I just described does not happen if you are wearing a t-shirt like this or if the t-shirt is not stretchy. I mean, I hate doing free Rode advertisement whenever I have the Rode Wireless Go on. That's why I just blacked these parts out. Usually having a wireless microphone that is so much visible, especially when you're wearing a color that is not black, is not something that I aesthetically enjoy. That is why I tried to hide this mic, and in another video I'll show you 5 great ways to hide your Rode Wireless Go, so do not forget to subscribe. And as per usual, thanks for watching, and until the next video, arrivederci.